Ross Valve makes control valves that go in size from a 1/2 inch, which you'd find in your own domestic home, up to 6, 8-ton valves that feed massive parts of cities that weigh up to 40,000 pounds. Some of our control valves have been used in water and wastewater throughout the world, through all sorts of operations where you're flowing product, you're dissipating energy, or you're controlling fluid. Some of them are manually operated, but most are automated. And we deal with anything from simple self-sensing devices, self-regulated devices, all the way up to very intricate PLC and PLC-based controls. When Ross started looking for a company to help us deliver our products to our customers, we looked at Doosan. And Doosan came to the table as a good partner, not only from the beginning as far as good value, but a long-term proven culture in keeping with Ross Valve's values to our customers. Ross Valve and Syracuse Supply have had a relationship dating back to when I started business in the 1980s. We all are committed to excellence, and we're committed to our collective customers. We have great partners on our side that can help us deliver great products that take us anything from underground delivering water to putting rockets on the moon. Great people. I love Syracuse Supply.